bermasalah tentang rekamannya.
Oke.
Izin dari awal gitu.
Dari awal. Oke, kita mulai dari awal ya. Kendala dengan rekaman.
Botekmu Diki pasti botek kan kamu pasti bohong.
Coba sih.
Weh,
Ini bot. Ganti
aku
alias yang
bilang
record. Ganti alias yang record. Tadi aku buka OBS suara aku nggak jelas gitu.
kenapa sih kayak gini loh? Lihat lah, kenapa dia kayak gini?
Aku nggak record. Gak jelas ya.
Hmm.
Oke, welcome to the Metaverse Room. Previously, good morning, guys. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Titi Alfiansa. I am from Padepokan Siamio. Here I am as a moderator who will guide the course of this presentation and explanation. Before we start this presentation, you introduce yourself, please. Yeah, Mr. Fosa, you introduce myself. Introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you, Diki. I introduce myself. My name is Trifosa Lovely Versia. You can call me Trifosa. I live in North Kalimantan Regency. Okay. Sekian dari saya.
Okay, well, to save time, we continue the presentation session. I start from Miss Trifosa. Before the presentation, I want to ask Miss Trifosa, what topic will you tell?
My topic reading is my hobby.
Okay, about reading is my hobby. Okay, please you can start from now. Yeah, please.
Oke, terima kasih. Oke, thank you Diki. What is reading? According to Wikipedia, reading is an activity to see what is right and the process of understanding the content of the text aloud or silently. Reading is expressing an imagination or of a reader that is liked by the general public and also understood by someone who is loved. Benefit of reading. First, increase the insight and knowledge. Second, can improve memory quality. Three, can expand one's thoughts. Four, can improve focus and concentration. Next, I used to not like reading. The reason is simple because I'm lazy. I don't like to read too many books. But after I look back, the comparison between me and someone who like to read was far. Those like to read will have a lot of broad knowledge with the I thought that I shall also be able to from them. Finally, I have a new hobby, namely is reading. Okay, next. Where to start? I like to reading. Okay, first, looking for thing I like. Looking for one what I want, what I like. From example, I like horror thing because I look for for book or media that provide horror story or I like story about history. I can search for the history of the Indonesian nation or other history like that. Second, just start with the important thing. Starting with the important thing I mean. I read the important part. From example, benefit goals, understanding, and so on. 3. Analysis what I'm reading. Analysis of what I read means to find out more about what I read, so that I can add new knowledge. 3. Telling what we have reading. Uh, by telling or explaining what we have read to friends or other people, our knowledge will enrich. That why we also have like teaching someone. Next. Reading can be taught. First, book. As the saying goes, books are the door to saying the word, and reading is the key. Second, magazines or newspaper. By using, you can find new news. 3. Electronic device. For example, smartphone, laptop, PC, and television. By using this as a means of reading, you can also hear what is being said. Next. Thing I like to read the most. First, Bible. I like Bible. History, science, and fiction story. According to expert of reading on reading, R.C. Anderson. According to R.C. Anderson, in a book entitled Language Skill in Elementary Education, reading is a process of recording and decoding, where that passport is in the form of symbol of white language. 2. Henry Gunther Tarigan. According to Henry G. Tarigan, in a book entitled Language Skill Teaching Techniques, reading is a process carried out and used by reader to obtain message conveyed by the author through the medium of word or white language. 3. Colker. In a book entitled Film, Form, and Culture, state the reading is a communication process between reader and writer using written language. Okay, next. These are my words. Just live what you like, without harming other people, because this world is not just about you, but there are other people around you. Okay, guys. Any question for me?
Okay. Amazing. The material presented is quite interesting and understandable. But I have a question related to this material about your hobby. Istifosa? Yeah. I want to ask you. Okay, your hobby is reading. Yeah. Do you like reading
Yes.
novel?
Yes, I like novel.
Yeah. What genre do you like? Yeah. What genre do you like?
I like genre.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Romance.
What
Yeah,
genre?
romance. Romance, fantasy, teen.
Okay. Yes.
Ya, Diki.
Yeah. Are there any questions from the audience?
Trifosa.
Ya,
Hello?
Lutfi.
Which author do you like? Which author do you like? Penulis. Which author do you like?
Wait, aku cari dulu.
Penulis yang paling kamu sukai siapa?
I like Bayu Permana. Yes, masih banyak lagi sih, tapi aku kurang tahu yang lainnya. Yang tahu itu aja.
Oh, oke. About what? Bukunya tentang apa?
My Psychopath Boyfriend.
Oke, romance berarti ya. Oke. Oke.
Yeah,
In Wattpad or
yes, Wattpad. Ya, Wattpad.
Oke. Wattpad able banget. Yes, thank you.
Oke, Lutfi.
Romantic. Okay, Miss Lutfi, are you like novel genre romantic?
Ya, dulu iya, but now no, nggak terlalu. Now I like reading what self improvement books.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. Between Miss Lutfi and Miss Trifosa, same novel lovers. Yeah.
Ya, novel lovers.
Okay. Maybe you, Elias, are you like novel? Maybe.
I like it.
Oh, okay. What is your genre? Do you like action? Maybe.
Yes, I like this adventure, romance, and apa ya?
Action comedian.
Yes, I like it.
Okay. Any question again about novel and others? Yeah, nothing is nothing. Okay, I mean enough is your presentation and explanation about your hobby, Mr. Fosa. Okay, thank you for your presentation and explanation.
Welcome, Diki.
Okay, I next the second member is Miss Lutfi. Okay.
Okay. Wait. I can't
Hapus dulu. Mau kapus nih. Apa, Beyong?
Ya, dihapus aja. Aku nggak bisa ngapus. Oh
Diki
ya,
itu yang bisa hapus.
delete. Mr. Diki.
Ya.
Delete Trevosa's presentation.
Okay. Ya.
Okay, wait.
Done.
Okay.
Sekarang gitu. Kan yang gitu. Jadi edit. Akhirnya ada di sana.
Ngomong coy.
Aku bantu nih.
Oke.
Nah,
Oke.
siap.
Ya segini ya.
Ya, oke. Oke, oke.
One.
Okay, yeah. The next participant or the next member is Miss Lutfi. Okay, Miss Lutfi. Before the presentation, I want to ask what topic will you tell?
I will bring a topic about Japanese culture.
Okay,
Yeah.
about Japanese culture. Yeah, this is very interesting. Okay, please you can start from now. Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today I will bring a topic about Japanese culture. So let's go straight to the presentation. Um, Japanese culture is a culture that comes from Java and is embraced by Japanese people, especially in Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. And Japanese culture can be broadly divided into three, namely Banyumasan culture, Central Java Yogyakarta culture, and East Java culture. Japanese culture prioritizes balance, harmony, and compatibility in daily life. And Japanese culture upholds politeness and simplicity. Um, and this is not only found in Central Java uh, of the but also in the overseas areas of the Japanese people like Jakarta, Sumatra, and Suriname. In fact, Japanese culture is one of the most popular cultures in Indonesia abroad. Some of the Japanese culture that are in demand abroad are wayang kulit, keris, batik, kebaya, and gamelan. In Malaysia and the Philippines, the term keris is known due to the influence of Majapahit. Now the next, Japanese culture also produced patterns of look for the Japanese people themselves, namely kejawen. Kejawen contains art, culture, traditions, ritual, attitudes, and philosophies of the Japanese people. Kejawen also means spiritualistic or spiritualistic Japanese. However, the majority of Japanese now adhere to Islam and a small number of Japanese adhere to Christianity or Catholicism. In the past, Japanese people practiced Hinduism, Buddhism, and Kejawen. The Japanese even helped spread Hinduism and Buddhism, with a number of Japanese Hindu-Buddhist kingdoms playing a role. Japanese also helped spread Islam and Christianity or Catholicism in Indonesia. The Japanese are unique because they are the only tribe in Indonesia that plays an important role in spreading the five major religions. A US research Clifford Geertz even studied Japanese and divided Japanese into three major groups, namely Abangan, Priyayi, and Santri. Okay, the next. is kingdoms. The number of kingdoms that once stood in Java also contribute to the variety of cultures in Java. The Javanese kingdoms that controlled many other regions, including Malaysia and the Philippines, contribute to the spread of Keris culture throughout Indonesia and Asia. The kingdoms that once stood in Java include Hindu-Buddha kingdom, for example, Kalingga Kingdom, Kanjuruhan Kingdom, Ancient Mataram Kingdom, Kahuripan Kingdom, and Jenggala Kingdom, and others. And then Islamic kingdoms, for example, like the kingdoms of Demak, Pajang, and Mataram. And the third is modern Javanese kingdoms, for example, like Surakarta Sultanate, Yogyakarta Sultanate, Paku Alamandasi, and Mangkunegaran Praya. And the next is about language. Javanese is the language of the Javanese population in Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. In addition, Javanese is also spoken by people who live in several other areas, such as Banten, especially the city of Serang, Serang Regency, Cilegon City, and Tangerang Regency, West Java, especially the North Coast area stretching from the north coast of Karawang, Subang, Indramayu, Cirebon City, and Cirebon Regency. Next is literature. The history of Javanese literature is divided into 4 periods. The first period is Old Javanese literature. The second is Middle Javanese literature. The third is New Javanese literature, and the last is Modern Javanese literature. The Javanese language was first written in a script derived from the Pallava script from South India. This script is the forerunner of the modern Javanese script or Hanacaraka, which is still used until today. Now, the next is calendar. Javanese calendar is a combination of Islamic culture, Javanese Hindu-Buddhist culture, and European culture. In the Javanese calendar system, there are 2-day cycles. The week cycle consisting of 7 days, as we know it today, and the Pancawara week cycle consisting of 5 market days. Sultan Agung was trying hard to spread Islam in Java within the framework of the Mataram state issued decree to change the Saka calendar. From then on, the Mataram version of the Javanese calendar used the lunar calendar system, but didn't use numbers from Hijri year. The number of the Saka year were still used and continued. This was done for the Saka of continuity, so that the year that was 15 and 47 Saka continued to be 15 and 47 Java. Sultan Agung's decree was valid in all areas of the Mataram II kingdom, namely the entire island of Java and Madura except Banten, Batavia, and Banyuwangi or Blambangan. Okay, next is culture art. Javanese traditional arts are works of art created and originating from the island of Java, Indonesia. Some examples of Javanese traditional arts include Gambyong dance. There are various kinds of traditional arts from Java, but in general, there are 3 major groups within the cultural roots of Javanese art, namely Banyumasan or Ebek, Central Java, Yogyakarta is Ketoprak and Serimpi, and then East Java is Ludruk and Reog. Langgam Jawa is an adaptation of keroncong music into traditional Javanese music, especially gamelan. The figures of this music include Anjar Ani, Gesang, Kinoto Sabdo, and Waljina. There is a martial arts school called Kali Majapahit that originated in the Philippines with members from Asia and America. It claims to have its roots in the ancient Majapahit kingdom. which is said to have ruled the Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. Another Javanese silat is Perisai Diri, founded by the late R.M. Subandiman Dirjoatmojo, a noble son of the Paku Alam Palace. Perisai Diri silat technique contain elements of 156 silat schools from various regions in Indonesia, plus the Shaolin School from China. Silat Persaudaraan Setia Hati Terate or PSHT, founded by Ki Hajar Harjo Utomo and originally formed by Ngabei Surowiryo, a brotherhood whose family members are called Sedulur Tunggal Kecer, while the Pencak Silat game was formed called Joyo Gendilo Cipto Mulyo. And Merpati Putih and also Tapak Suci Putra Muhammadiyah Silat were also created by Javanese people. These four silat arts have spread to America and Europe. And then the last is about culinary. So the farming culture in Central and East Java is known as the largest producer of rice in Indonesia. East Java and Central Java are the largest contributors of rice in Indonesia. East Java with 31.27%, Central Java is 23.79%, and West Java is about 50.19%, and South Sulawesi 10.10%. And then onion production in Java reached 68% of Indonesia's national production. Apart from being the largest producer of rice and onions, Central Java and East Java also produce a variety of cuisines. Javanese cuisine is a typically cuisine originating from the island of Java, except for West Java and Banten, which have a specialty as Sundanese cuisine. Javanese cuisine is available only at Warung Tegal. Depot makan is also another term for a stall that serves Javanese cuisine. In general, the term depot is used in some areas in East Java, and tempe has become an international cuisine that is the only Indonesian cuisine that is not influenced by Chinese, Indian, or Arabic cuisine. So, yeah, that's all I can say for this meeting. If anyone has any question or comments, you can feel free to ask. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your presentation and explanation about Japanese culture and others. Yeah, Miss Lutfi, amazing.
Yeah.
The material presented is quite interesting and understandable. But what I have a question related to this material.
What question?
Oh, I want to ask Miss Trifosa. Yeah, Miss Trifosa previously. Okay, Miss Trifosa.
Okay, I have question for Lutfi.
In in
Yeah. What?
in Kalimantan, does anyone use the Java language? Maybe.
Huh? Java language? I don't know.
Yeah. You don't
Java
know
language is
Java language?
Mau tanya tentang Jawa.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, Lutfi, can you mention the name of the king of the kingdom of Mataram?
Oh no, I don't know about the king of kingdom in Mataram.
Kamu Diki,
Because
you know?
I have
Kenapa
learned
Lutfi?
karena
Because
apa ya? Because bukan nggak pernah belajar sih.
Yeah,
I forgot
I know
about
the first
the king of
king
Mataram.
in the kingdom Mataram. Sultan Agung, maybe.
We can go to the Google. Okay?
Sultan Agung.
gak bisa kan nggak tahu Raja Mataram.
Iya loh.
Oke. Lagi satu lagi.
Ya, what?
Do you,
General question aja dong.
do you know? Do you know?
What?
Do you know the Sumpah Palapa of Gajah Mada?
Ya, I know.
This is in Kingdom
I don't know the
Majapahit.
isinya. Asam mas. Pertanyaannya
What?
loh.
Apa nih?
Gajah Mada in the Pati Majapahit Kingdom.
Ya,
Oh
Gajah
yes.
Mada tuh ya.
Try to mention.
No. It's not what? Sejarah kelas. No sejarah kelas. No kelas sejarah. Ya. So you can mention question about this.
Oke, one lagi. Satu
Ya.
lagi.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
Tell about your question.
Iya, satu lagi.
Huh?
Yeah, please.
Can you cook Japanese food?
Oh, Japanese
Lutfi.
food.
Yes.
Ya gimana? Ya? Aku masak telur aja gosong. No.
Ya masak telur gosong.
Apa ya? Pernah coba masak soto. Ya itu aja dibantu ibu. With my mom. Not only myself.
Bantu nyicipi.
Hah?
Bantu nyicipi.
No, bantu motong-motong.
Astaga, kamu pernah masak air nggak?
Ya pernah, masak air pernah dong. Of course.
Gosong, airnya gosong.
Ya, paling asat. The water is gone. Yeah.
Wow. The egg of gosong.
Depan is gosong.
Belum habis sebenarnya. Kami curi nih. Oke. Itu aja dari aku.
Okay. Your question is so hard.
Okay, thank you for your question, Mr. Devasa, about some. Yeah, very funny.
Yeah,
Okay,
I don't like for such question.
Enough,
I don't like.
enough, yes. Enough or not?
Yeah, no. Elias, how about Elias? Do you have a question, Elias?
Maybe nothing.
Okay.
Mau tak tempat.
Thank you all.
Okay. Enough, yes.
Dudukin aja, Mas.
Okay, I will push into the presentation explanation, yeah, about Japanese culture and then hobby reading some book from Mr. Fosa. Yeah, but presentation from all of you are very interesting and can add new knowledge that I didn't know before. Thank you, audience. Thank you, participant. Thank you, Miss Lutfi. Thank you, Miss Trifosa. And then presentation explanation. Good afternoon, guys. I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Thank you, Mas.
Dadah, guys. Sampai bertemu di Sakis.
Bertemu di mana?
Di kap-
Di Sakis.
Ya, lah.
Ayo coba.